Obi the Shinobi. Obi the Shinobi. Obi the Shinobi. Obi. Follow me on Facebook, Obi the Shinobi. I used to have an Instagram, but who cares? Wartime. Feel the power.
This whole thing over here is mine?
Say what?
I'm gonna be livid that fucking 4th of July. You know, I came up with that one myself, though.
Yeah. Action! King Obi needs more energy. Thank you for sending energy. Thank you for donating your time, effort, and your strength will be valued in so many ways. Be authentic, be real, be honest, be productive, and develop successful habits. I can't stress that enough. United Shinobis assemble. Stay united and stay on your P's and Q's. In doubt you, have faith in the process. Even on a bad day, there's something good to learn from the situation, because experience outweighs knowledge at times. Knowledge is power, but you must be responsible with it. Oh, I like that. That's
the money, the accolades,
way better than Uncle Bean.
Where I'm from. Yeah, where we both from.
Never fear. Only fear in death is coming back reincarnated. And I'm coming back as a Mac 11. Like, subscribe, stay powerful, squad up, stay on mission, stay serious, but know when to kick back and relax and have some fun. Work while you play. Work while